It's early in the morning. I'm trying to be quiet, so if it sounds like I'm whispering, that's why. YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Kenny, and I'm back for another video. Right now, we live trading gold, and I gotta put up on the hour chart on TradingView. Go ahead and like this video, spam them soap bars in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, and turn the post notifications on.
I told Kenny hit the plug, I need more.
I was in my A last week. I filmed a video. If you've seen the story on my Instagram, you know that I notified y'all what was going on with my laptop. My laptop is dead. So I wiped everything off of there, put it on an external hard drive. And now I'm just waiting to see what computer I'm finna buy. So on the chart right now, 7:30, we got news at about 7:30. This is yesterday. PPI came out just a minute ago. Positive news. So I'm gonna go ahead and break this down. So I had this widening triangle, whatever, and I had this 15-minute supply drawn up. And this is from yesterday. So we had to push down. I grabbed the fib and I said, all right, we touch right here, we're gonna hit the supply zone and then drop. So it did exactly that. Touched the supply zone. Touched this golden zone, smacked the supply, took profit, hopped in here at half position, rolled it all the way down to this demand zone. We just took out, we just engulfed. So PPI came out. So today I'm looking at, I guess we can delete this. PPI came out, positive news. Yeah, I know I'm not a fundamental trader, but obviously a red folder means something, right? So I'm expecting price to correct this candle. But then again, we got Wick City in this area, as long as these two tweezers. So we can engulf past this level right here. Where is it? We can engulf this level here. I might take the position all the way down to this 1 hour demand level. Go ahead and draw that up. So I've been drawing my demand levels a little bit different. I started including the 50% retracement within that candle because I don't know, 50%, I'm gonna have to back test that, but 50%, that means pretty average move, pretty average retracement, pullback, continuation, whatever, you know what I'm saying? 50%, 61.8%. You get those numbers all the time. And you know, obviously I'm still back testing this. So right now it looks like we are engulfing this, like I just said. So I'm gonna hop in, see if we can get a quick impulse down to the lows. I really missed my original entry. So price is moving. Now we did leave this wick. I'm wondering if this was a liquidity grab. So far we just look like we can consolidate around this price area, 1780 and 70 and 90 in that little range. But I do see price coming down here. So I think what I'm gonna do is go down to the lower time frame, see if we can't catch something. So we are getting this wick with the continuation. On the 15-minute, it looked like this might hinder us from coming all the way down. But so far it's looking good, so I might put an entry in right now. Something like that. Definitely don't want to give up $2. Let's see if we can get a tighter entry. If we try and get one up here, it's 2.5. So what I'm doing right now is trying to figure out my stop and my position sizing. So if I know I'm gonna give up $2 of gold's price. That means each dollar I'm giving up about $100, depending on the lot size that I choose. I'm not even worried about the profit. I'm really worried about this, because if I'm okay with giving up this much, then all of this is a plus. So I think it's looking decent. I don't think we have any more news coming. I think we're green. We might pop up. I don't know. Because it looked kind of rocky for it to come back up. I'm seeing something like that. And then it broke out. Something like that. And then the price came down, continued, pushed down. So this is the type of pullback, complex pullbacks and retracements that you're going to want to see when you're trading. So you see price came down, boom, and now we're kind of arranging, but you see that we're making higher lows, and we're not necessarily breaking these highs. So this is a complex pullback within a bearish trend. So came here, bearish move down, correction, boom, bearish move back down. So price is tanking. It's looking lovely. I just realized I didn't put my position in. So my position was actually 1776.8, which makes my stop double the size, which means I need to be going for a 1-to-1. So this is perfect. I threw in a 5 standard, so I'm giving up about 2 bands. Everybody knows gold contract sizes times 100 depending on your broker. So if I'm throwing in a 5 standard, 5 times 100 is 500 per dollar movement. So let's see if we can push down. I'll be comfortable with half this position. Yeah, so we'll come back in a couple minutes and see what price is doing. I actually want to check US 30 too. See, US 30 look like it's dropping. Yeah. Let's see what SPX doing. I ain't traded SPX in so long. NAS dropping like crazy. So yeah, let's just wait and see what's gonna happen. Bump back to the hour. We see a clean candle pushing down, straight clean candle. So on the 15-minute, it's looking like, oh, it's kind of choppy. We got these wicks and things like that that might hinder us from pulling all the way down. See it again. We got like this little demand, little doji, little situation, and this formulation of orders right down here at about 1770. Price is pulling back on us a little bit. We're not worried about it. We're on a higher time frame, pretty much a higher time frame analysis versus a lower time frame analysis. Higher time frame analysis, lower time frame entry. It's going to give us a better stop. But it was my mistake. I was trying to get in right here. I accidentally got in right here. Will I put another position right here? Maybe, if it shows signs that it still wants to push down. Like I said, we're based off the hourly. The hourly is showing us that we want to come down and mop all this up, touch this demand level. But then again, like I was saying earlier, this right here is giving me liquidity grab vibes. Along with this, also, yeah, I don't know. I think we should be good. Just be patient. It's only 7:30, so we'll see. Maybe I shouldn't have went in so heavy, but you know what? I'm trying to make some bread, so But yeah, we had a decent day yesterday. Follow me on Instagram so you'll stay up to date with my profit posts, chart analysis. Sometimes I give out free ideas, but if you're not in the community, then I don't know what you're doing, because that's where a lot of all the free analysis are. Free ideas, free setups, education. I'm doing video analysis, all types of stuff. So we are in profit, about $600-700. So that's what happens when you put in a big lot size. And I'm feeling pretty happy about it, honestly. I'm honestly thinking about taking it. So I think when it reaches a K, I might take the profit. It's looking real nice right now. Damn near doubling my account. Or not doubling. Damn near flipping my account. So I'll probably take this 1,000 off the table. And then I'll probably leave a position in there to run down. Yeah, it's looking lovely. I'm gonna close a band out. If you give it to me. Almost. I'm gonna take 4.5 standards out and leave a half a standard running. Alright, whatever. I closed at about $700 in profit. So we basically took price down from 1776.8 to about 1775 and a quarter exactly. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop loss in profit. What was it? 1776.8. Let's do 76.85. Oh, that's, 6.5. That way if we get taken out, we're green. So I'm expecting price to mop down to 1771. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. So like I was saying, the analysis for this trade was pretty simple. We had the news pretty much leading us to where we wanted to go, right? So we see these clean candles to the left and these wicks. To me, that means if we take these wicks and we have a clean candle left, there's nothing to do but just to take that candle and correct that move. Not to mention that there's also accumulation of orders down here on the lower time frame. If you jump down to the 5-minute, you can see all these orders right in here. 15-minute, a little bit clearer. Boom, 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 boom. Bunch of dojis in there, indecision candles. Then we got a massive push out. So that's telling me that there's demand right here. Also, it's telling me we need to correct this move because we pushed up, came back down, and then we just been chilling above all of this movement. So now that we finally broke down out of this pattern, excuse me, we touched the supply in this pattern, came down to the demand of this pattern, broke this floor, this support line. Out of this pattern we broke, which giving us this bearish continuation move, right? Drop down, pull back, bearish continuation, which took out these wicks, which is where the money is, and it's coming down to correct this move. So like I said before, this was going to be the candle that probably stumps us. So because of that, we took profit, enough that we needed. I don't want to be greedy. Went in a little heavy because of the move. Like I said, I wanted to get in right here. Got in about $2.50 down. But hey, things happen. I believed in my analysis. I seen that it was clear. I'm only gonna take something that's clean and clear. So other than that, I got another video dropping. The reflection video is gonna drop this Friday. This is probably my last day trading, but probably not. I don't know, for the year. But other than that, this trade is gonna finish out. I'll share the results of this runner after this trade plays out. But this is it. This is trading. You know, hop in, see a pattern, hop in, mark it up, take it, and be done. There's no need to sit at the computer for an hour, 2, 3, 4 hours. Literally, there's no reason for it. But you still got traders that do it anyway, so I'm happy with what's going on right now. We're floating $100 in profit. Everything is looking good, so I do believe we'll take this wick down. I'll probably be comfortable taking profit at 1772. So I don't have too much to say. It's early in the morning. I'm trying to be quiet, so if it sounds like I'm whispering, that's why. So that's it from me. Like I said before, be sure to like this video, share this video with your friends, family, trading community that you're in. Spam them soap bars. Join a free community. It's the last 2 weeks of December. Still free until January 1st. We're gonna go premium. I think that's it for the updates. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Turn the post notifications on so you'll be alerted every time I drop a new video. I upload Wednesdays and Fridays. I don't think that's gonna change, so I don't have too much to say. I don't have really anything left to say. I'm out. Peace.
A few moments later.
Speaking all these thoughts, I don't need opinion.